applause for Miss Christine C.
It's about a community of people who appreciate the sign, photography, and creativity. Nothing has built the culture around the world. So, if you're ready to experience innovation in its purest form, I would love for you to join me in Welcome What's Next. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Nothing. Ladies and gentlemen, if we could have your attention, please. Let's give a warm applause as we welcome our next episode. And please welcome Gia Minerva of Gadget.
Yes, we're ready.
So we've heard the story. Now it's time to go home, right? So let's open the stage to a panel discussion and hear directly from
Alright,
I'll just have a few questions for you guys, and good chat for us. So feel free and be yourself.
well, for me, I think the first one would be differentiation of structure design. It's the first thing that actually captured my attention when I received the device for us to unbox. And syempre, it kind of evokes as well nostalgia because of how it is designed. If you're taking a look at it, it's very slim, 7.95 millimeters. And if you take a look at the camera, the space where the camera is, it looks very different. You know, as very nothing is in terms of design. And lastly, if you take a look at the design as well, is improved from what they had on the Nothing Phone 3. And this time it's a little bit more useful with 137 mini LEDs. So it's just what I need.
I love that Nothing decided that they wanted to be with their design. It's very distinct, very stand out. And like for the MOP, for example, it's not very fashionable. It's an artistic concept, and it's not an extension of my personality.
Unconventional. What do you think that gives it identity?
You mentioned earlier, it's the design, and I don't really like it. I feel the same way. Like, if I see people in public with a Nothing phone, Nothing phone, there's that like sort of connection to that person because have the same interest. And it's very easy to be closer to the because of the person, which really sharing a very competitive price point for
Kami, Pilipinas. Kami, Pilipinas.
Yung ano yung dati marami
What excites you the most about
I think for me, before I move on to the I'd like to mention about the in a sense, because in terms of equalizing settings for the audio, the way the brief works, the involvement of the community is very much contained in Nothing. That's what really sets Nothing apart from other brands. But in terms of the expandability of accessibility to all digital walker consumers, the accessibility is there. Because where there is a digital walker, there is Nothing user 100%. And not only that, it's available in retail, also in terms of online.
That something that excites me about this launch is that we will now be able to share the price point as well as the specs of our new products, right? So everyone, I'm sharing with you the prices for our newly launched products. So for the Nothing 4A, it starts at 29,190 pesos only. It comes in the beautiful color pink, which along with the order is pink, blue, black, and white. And then for the Nothing 4A Pro, it starts at 34,990 pesos. Three colors we have it in black, white, and again, the very beautiful pink. Yeah. And the Headphone 8, first for Nothing, it's at 10,490 pesos. Four colors we have black, white, pink, and the new color which is yellow.
I feel like I want to buy it now.
Yes, me too.
Ba't kayo nauna yan? Wala pang product reveal, may presyo.
Those discovering for the first time, what's the first thing they should notice?
For me, I think what we should notice first is the design, the aesthetics, the functionality. I always see this in the designs of Nothing. While it is a fashion-forward design, the style is there. It's not just there for nothing. It's there for a function, for a reason. I think that is for me.
And actually, people are excited to pre-order. When is this? And what are the perks they would get when they pre-order via original web?
Yes. So pre-order starts tomorrow. It's on March 28th up until April 6th. We have it here. So if you pre-order the Nothing 4A, you get 1 year extended warranty, a Nothing phone stand, a Nothing phone lanyard, keychain, and seatbelt buttons too. And then if you do want an upgraded version, you want the Nothing 4A Pro, you get 1 year extended warranty, a Nothing phone stand, Nothing phone lanyard with keychain, a Nothing backpack, and then you get the Nothing ear aid as well.
And yes, we recorded other phone, Nothing sports app, Nothing backpack, and audio and watching vouchers worth 1,500. Yes.
Thank you, Gian and Marlene. It's a pleasure to have you with us today.
Oh, before anything else though, in terms of pre-order, guys, pre-order is available at all Digital Rocker and open source stores nationwide. And also available at Digital Rocker website, Digital Rocker Shopee, and also the Nothing